Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how you can get access to your funds of the Bitcoin.com app also online in a browser, let's say on a PC or so. This is the wallet here on Google Play. As you can see, we can click on that, get more information, and it's definitely the DeFi wallet of Bitcoin.com. So Bitcoin.com, that's a company, that's not just like Bitcoin. If you're looking for the official website of Bitcoin, then that's bitcoin.org. Bitcoin.com, it's a normal company. They bought this website. By the way, I think a couple of years ago, the CEO of this company has been Roger Ver, pretty famous person, but I think he left. But the company is still here, absolutely no problem with that. You can see it has a lot of downloads, and I think it's a pretty good wallet. I haven't heard any bad stuff. They are pushing a lot. They have a lot of good features. They have really good trading pairs. And it's a self-custody wallet, so it's really your funds. It's working with BIP39 standards. So if you're careful, nobody can steal it. No government can crack down on the exchange or so, block it or so. This is absolutely not possible. It's always your funds. You are your own bank. But again, the question is, how can you access these funds also online on a browser, not only on your smartphone? And you can definitely do that, but you have to be really careful. There are a couple of similar sites. Here I found one, it's called bitcoinwallet.com. I was really tempted to use that. No, it's not this one here. There is also the wallet.bitcoin.com. It's same website. It's another subdomain, but this is not the decentralized wallet. When you're using the bitcoin.com app, then you're using the decentralized wallet. So that's a different thing. But again, it's the same company. You could click on that and then it brings you to the Verse, which is their decentralized exchange. And Verse is also their token, the main token of their decentralized exchange. But it's not the self-custody wallet. It's a different thing. But we are already pretty close. And so what you have to do is to, of course, install the app first on your phone and then create an account. And when everything is set up on your phone, you can go to app.bitcoin.com and then log in here with the same account. So you enter the email account or log in with the Apple login or with Google login. And after you enter your email address and continue with email, you will get an email in your email account. You click on that. And after you click on the email link, it will bring you directly to this website, which is again, of course, the app.bitcoin.com wallet. I think from now on, you can also go directly to app.bitcoin.com/wallets, and it will then directly connect to the wallet which you have already installed on your phone. You can see here, it says this wallet is available on your OnePlus phone. But I think I can do everything. I mean, I haven't done anything, but there is this buy button here. There's this one here. You can also click on receive. You can send. You can also use the decentralized exchange, the Verse, directly from here. When we click on that, then we are again at the other exchange as before, but now we are connected. Here on the right top, it shows the connection to the decentralized wallet or to the self-custody wallet. It's a little bit confusing, maybe especially at the beginning. Of course, I really had to do some research. I was also talking to the support to make sure that everything is okay, and they confirmed the way which I've been explaining to you. This is the perfect way to do so. First, install the app, the Bitcoin.com app from the App Store. And after that, go to app.bitcoin.com on your browser, on your PC, and there you click on connect, and then it should work. I think pretty good solution. So we have both, we have the app and we have online, but everything is automatically connected, doesn't need two separate logins. So yeah, that's it at the moment. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, then just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.